So I'm gonna walk in and try and do the RAM upgrade for my computer. The service quality was awesome yesterday. I'm gonna come in here, and this guy got me my RAM chip. Huh? Cash. ये कितने का है भाई? और 4,000. 4,000. So that he says it's 4,000 rupees. Go ahead. And that's for DDR4, is it? Yes. So you can 8 GB DDR4. The authorized center for HP. I don't know if it's the company store. Yeah. So I'm paying him in cash. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 4,000 pounds.
Just take him.
So here's the deal. That's the RAM, and he sold this to me for like 4,000 rupees, which is around $60. And he's going to do the installation and upgradation for about 100 rupees, 150 rupees, to almost free. However, the guy who's going to install the RAM is not from HP. It's some other lab or repair center that he says would do it for almost free, and they would do it in front of me. So that's the deal. I don't know how much would this cost you in your place, because once the man arrives, we go with him and we're going to open the computer and install this RAM. Yeah, thanks so much.